Oh no, that must be really hurt. I saw you. You bang yourself into the wall. Have to be careful next time. Just stay there until you will not feel dizzy. There you go. I'm gonna caress you. And you have a smooth hair. Know what I mean? You have a smooth feathers. You like it? Caress you everywhere. So there you go. There's a feather in your beak. Oh, relax. Don't fly. Then later on you can go. You just need to calm yourself until your dizzy will go away, because you really hit yourself so hard into the wall. Don't worry, I'm not going to do anything to you. And I love your feathers color. They're all nice. Oh, careful next time. Maybe I'll bring you downstairs to give you some water. Yeah. And then later on you will go. I cannot keep you because I want you to be really just normal, being in your own life, being free. Oh, your feather in your neck is pulling down. You don't really feel alright. Just relax. Your feathers are smooth and the color is nice. I'm gonna put you back down for a while. Just checking you out. There you go. That's really hard. Oops, sorry. Some of your feather is falling off. Move a little while here. There you go. Dizzy. You are really dizzy. Okay, come here. So let's go for a bit in there. am really looking at you properly. There you go. You really don't want to go because you really don't feel good. Let's walk more over there until you will feel better. Let's get back over there again. Just calm down, okay? You will be fine later. You will go anytime as long that you are okay. Kisses. You wanna go? You wanna go now? Are you okay now? Are you not busy now? Yeah? You can fly if you're ready. You are free. Look at your feathers when you bang yourself. There. Your feathers went all there into the floor. You really have a nice color. Really cute. You wanna sleep? Don't fly off, okay, for now. Because you might bump yourself. Relax. Later, I will bring you outside and go, okay? I know you want to go now. Just get a rest for a bit, and in a few minutes, I'm gonna bring you outside and let you go, okay? Relax. Guys, it's time to let him go because I think he is fine now because this bird was being banged into the wall a while ago, and he doesn't feel good. So I can feel that his energy is back. So are you ready? Are you ready to go, bird? Yeah, I see you already. Your energy is back. I feel you're already strong. Okay, till next time. See you again, maybe. And bye bye, bird. Go fly. Yay!